Hi guys, this might be the last like exhibitor interview kay gisakit ko and like gikan kog pot lol. But like yeah, and believe it or not, I am the final exhibitor maybe is me. Apil ko sa walkthrough, I guess. Mo sa ako mga collection. My first one is kini the Black Pearl from Pirates of the Caribbean. Dili na siya branded or anything. This is actually handmade from Exxon sa akong friend. And yeah, I think it's the only one. It's the only one ever. I don't know if na mga official na like Black Pearl chips, but yeah, mo ani siya. If I remember correctly, it's made out of like or rubber, like mochinelas and all, but I'm not 100% sure kay dugay na kayo ni sa kuha. So yeah, that's the first one, and the second is the next ones are kini siya, my Pokemon Horizons collection, and also like Pokemon, si Cerulege and si Armarouge. Si Armarouge na ko sa Gachapon, if you remember that video.
Saan may pag-abri?
It's red. It's red.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Siya lagi.
It's red. It's red. It's a
Watch that video. Wala pa na ako nakoy unboxing video unta kay Cerulege, but and this Brave Asagi ship, but wala pa ko ka-edit, gitamad ko. I actually also busy, but and also this acrylic stands of the Pokemon Horizons, like main cast, except si Dot kay mo maning like volume 1 aning set 1 aning gacha, and also Captain Pikachu na Takaratomi. Yeah. And the next ones are the McDonald's Zodiac 2026. Mo ba tawagan na? Basta ba 2026 na Zodiacs? And this is the complete set, and yes, medyo mahal siya. Although nagpatabang kog kaon sa food sa akong mga friends, or like sila nakaon ng food, nag-order sa food, nagpaad lang kog toy. And the next ones are this Minecraft movie. And dili ni complete set because mo lang ni ang like katong box na kind, wala ko atong uban, dili ko interested at first, but like katong interested ako mga sold out na talaga. But yeah, and the back are like the blind box, except for kana si Dennis, i-order na ako sa Australia, I think, from Facebook, from katong pasabay. And this one is si Evoker, gipalit ako Shopee na siya. Actually na po yung mga Minecraft na sa Shopee, like both the normal ones and the blind box ones, but and yeah, mga trade pod. So yeah, muna sila. Hindi na siya kompleto because of the katong mga box kind thing. And lastly, mga figures. Mani siya, ang uban nanin is like nakoy mga unboxing videos, but also ang uban is, I think, kining bleach lang ang wala, if I'm not mistaken. But plano ko tayo mag-unboxing video po maski late. But yeah, that's basically everything. And yeah, this is my first time mag-exhibit, and hopefully napay next na ingani, but like wala ko madungag gasa na po. So yeah, that's it, I guess.